Good morning, students. Your second lesson is force and motion. Force and motion. Learning objectives in this lesson is to define distance and displacement, to differentiate distance and displacement, to define speed and velocity and acceleration, to differentiate speed and velocity, graphical representation of distance, time and velocity graphs, to measure the calculate of the speed of the moving object, to know the day-to-day uses of center of gravity and stability. First, introduction. Look at the picture. There is a house and school. Kavita travels in a two ways. Kavita can travel in a two ways. So road A has 1.5 kilometer. Road B is a 2 kilometer. Can you tell by choosing which path she could reach the school early? So road A, if Kavita chooses road A, she can reach the school early. If Kavita chooses road B, she can reach the school late. So road A is the early. Now, distance and displacement. Distance is the total length of the path. So distance is the total length of the path taken by an object to reach one place from other. So distance is the total length of the path taken by an object to reach one place from the other is called distance. Then displacement is the shortest distance. Displacement is the shortest distance from the initial to the final position of the object. Shortest distance from the initial to the final position of the object. So both distance and displacement possess the same unit. The SI unit of both are meter. So look at the picture again. So distance between school and house via road A is a 1.5 kilometer. At the same way, distance between school and house via road B 2 kilometers. So both are distance. So which one is a displacement? Road A is a displacement. Because the shortest distance is called displacement. So look at this picture. Figure shows the motion of a person between two places A and B. So from A to B, there is a three paths. So look at the green path, that was a 1. It's a 10 kilometer. Look at the second path, it's a blue. It is a 7 kilometer. Look at the third path, a red color dotted line. It's a 5 kilometer. So if he or she travels in a first path, distance is 10 kilometer. If travels in a second path, distance is 7 kilometer. Travels in a third path, distance is 5 kilometer. But what is the displacement? So displacement is a 5 kilometer. Third path is a displacement path. So that was a 5 kilometer. He travels 10 kilometer in first path. In the second path, he travels 7 kilometer. The distance between A and B via first path is 10 kilometer. In the second path, distance is 7 kilometer. The shortest distance between the two places is 5 kilometer, represented as 3. So the displacement is 5 kilometer. Is direction. So direction is very important for displacement. Distance does not have a direction. So it's a scalar unit. So if any quantity does not have a direction, it's a scalar quantity. So displacement distance is a scalar quantity, it does not have a direction, but displacement it has direction. So direction is very important for displacement. So it's a vector quantity. If any quantity contains the direction, that was a vector quantity. Thank you.